can't see it.
Put mine in the book. Put mine in the book.
Just what happened. The gift deserved one last.
Oh no!
This
Poor
got
Daddy.
attention. That's all that it took. Her husband quickly had to act fast to find just the right gift before Christmas had passed.
Are you guys okay?
Now you can save on select Diamond Solitaire.
Are they okay?
Yeah.
That's just one more
Good.
reason Kay is the #1 jewelry store in America.
We went out again yet.
Sunday, January
Then we have to push it. We went out again yet.
What did you run out of?
Yeah.
Dylan, what did you run out of?
Yeah.
I want brother to say. What did you run out of?
Yeah.
What did you run out of?
Yeah.
Gas?
Gas. 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 Lemon tea.
I'm taking
Gas.
a video.
Gas. 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 Gas.